Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp.
Today I'm going to teach you how you can create logo in just 3 minutes.
So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search Tailor brand. Click on first website tailorbrands.com. Now just write your business name here and click Get Started button. In section box, you can write your tagline like this and click Get Started button. Here, select where did you discover this website like YouTube or Google. On this page, select which product or service you provide like physical products, technical or software. This website will create logo according to it. I am going to select original content because Chimp is my YouTube channel. Select your industry. So my channel is about technology, so I am selecting technology here. Click next button. Here select logo type. You can select icon based, name based, initial letter based. I am going to select icon based logo. Select geometric icon here. Now select 3 font styles here. Click next button. So you can see it started making logo. Now sign up here or log in with Facebook or Google. Finally, you can see our logo in different variations has been created. You can select any logo according to your preference. This website also shows that how your logo will look on products or websites. Change your logo and you can see in right side how it looks on different platforms. Now select the logo and click Love It. And I am finished button too. So here you can download your logo. I hope this video will help you to create logo in 3 minutes. If you like this video, click subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.